up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a client testimonials form just like this one into your WordPress website for free in order to collect testimonials to apply into pages, to get some social proof, some clients proof of and know what your clients think about your services or product into a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this one with a friend of yours. Go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit into the submenu Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to Search Plugins, type WP Forms. Click on Install Now into this plugin, WP Forms, Easy Form Builder for WordPress, Contact Forms, Payment Forms, Servers and more. Click into the Activate button. As soon as you do this, the plugin gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page. Scroll down just a little bit and click on Create Your First Form. Right here, there is a middle sidebar called Select a Template, Search Templates. Right here, we're gonna type Client Testimonial Form. You can view the demonstrative site or use template. Click on Use Template, this orange button. The plugin gonna start creating for you the template, and this is fully customizable. You can click to change the name, the content, you can move the position of the elements into this page, and of course you can change the texts, okay? All into a simple and effective method. After doing the change you want, okay, you're gonna hit the Save Change button into the upper right corner of your screen, this orange button, and after this work made, you're gonna click on Embed, and as soon as you do this, you're gonna have two options: select an existing page or create a new page. Go to create a new page in the case that you want, type the page name, and the plugin gonna create for you the page into your WordPress page section and gonna add the form on it. Remember, you're always gonna be able to customize this page in the way that you want, so you can apply some blocks, you can apply some image, some content. After having the page in the way that you want, hit the Publish button into the upper right corner of your screen, this blue button, and view the results you got. I highly recommend that you test your pages and forms and review if you're receiving emails, and also check the forms into mobiles, okay, to a better usage of your site. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.